So here's the thing, Lisa Frank. So I may have hit the electronics jackpot here. $20, 15. Probably not worth it, but let's check. Checking out the holiday Barbie. There's 434 listed and only 254 sold. That's her, $16, and they want 20. That doesn't work for me. I really don't want to look at clothes, but hard goods are letting me down, so let's see what I can find. Might be worth picking up. It's not 3XL. Never mind. That's cool. It's vintage polo Ralph Lauren. I've always had good luck with Ralph Lauren Hawaiian shirts. I'm gonna grab that. $3.99.
Don't see nothing. My first email. Check my second email. Don't see Debbie's what? I tried to call it straight to voicemail. Alright. Waited day before yesterday. Didn't get no call.
So I only got two things at the Salvation Army. I got the polo Ralph Lauren Hawaiian shirt, and then those jeans. I've never heard of that brand before, but I kind of comped them out real quick, and they're definitely worth the $4.99 that I paid for them. But I mean, I spent 30 minutes in that store, and this is kind of the reality of reselling. I spent 30 minutes in that store, probably spent 15 minutes looking through these clothes racks to come away with two things. Not to mention, I've got a quarter tank of gas, so I've got to get gas, and you guys already know the prices. I'm looking at a station now, $3.93. That's actually not too bad. So I've got to fill up. Was it worth it? I mean, was that trip to that Salvation Army worth it? Probably not, but you never know. That's the thing. That's the reality of reselling. I might go in this Salvation Army and walk away with two things and have to spend $70 on gas, and I'm losing money. But I might go to this next Goodwill we'll go into and hit the jackpot. You never know. So let's find out. Yeah, that hurts. I'm definitely not making that off of those two clothing items I found at the Salvation Army. It's all part of it though. So I feel like I need to break in here and tell you that I am actually going to pay for my gas with just these two items from Salvation Army. I got pretty lucky. That polo Ralph Lauren Hawaiian shirt, usually when I pick those up, they sell, and they sell really quick for $30, maybe $40 if I'm lucky. Well, apparently I got really lucky on this one. Apparently it's like a rare colorway with the black and the white. It sold in like an hour for $64.50. Kind of surprised me, and maybe I sold it too cheap, but it was a size small and I figured it would take a while. But like I said, it sold in like an hour for $64.50. And then there's the jeans. I paid $5.99 for them, and they look basically brand new. They're made by a company called Brave Star, and they make selvage or raw denim jeans, and that stuff can be pretty expensive. And apparently when I looked at comps, I didn't look real close. There's 33 pre-owned listed, 112 have sold. That's a really good sell-through rate. And based on the cut and the ounce weight of denim that I have, they should actually sell for like 60 or 70 bucks. So that stop where I thought that I hadn't even paid for gas turned out pretty good. All right, Goodwill, time to change my luck. I'm actually gonna get a buggy at this one. And if I get a buggy, I have to fill it up, right? Kind of how that goes, hopefully. So I may have hit the electronics jackpot here. Not real sure. I'm gonna look all this stuff up real quick. Spend a few minutes. I mean, they only want $6 for that. I'm gonna get this combo unit. That's only $4. But let me spend a few minutes and look some of this stuff up. Got a few things. I want to plug them in and see if they power up. If they don't, I'll leave them here, but if they do, it's not a thorough test, but I can test them at home, and if they don't work, I can actually bring them back. They have a return policy here. I think it's 14 days, so not a big deal if they don't work. Didn't throw this stuff here. Looking for the remotes that go to the electronics I'm going to get. Didn't find any of those, but I did find this guy. bows. You want $5 for it, but if it works, it sells for like 30 or 40, and it's a quick seller, so I'm gonna grab it too. I've sold these 100 times. This actually got the power cord, and this is actually two different scanners. You got the wand scanner and the desktop scanner. $13. I think I can get 20 for that and 40 something for that, so probably pick that up. Quick sellers too. $19.98 sealed. I have no idea what that would go for, but I think it's going to be worth $5. So ping equals cha-ching, except for when it comes to old ping clothes. Never had much luck with those. That's cool though. Made in El Salvador. Even better. So this is the part where I go, I only spent $46. I filled up the cart. Look at all the profit I'm going to make. Except it's not that easy. That's not reality. I've actually got myself, I bought myself some projects. I bought myself work to do. And honestly, I don't mind electronics. I enjoy testing them. I enjoy playing with them. Don't mind shipping them. So for me, it's more of a hobby than a project. But if it was a bunch of old dirty shoes, they'd probably still be in Goodwill, because I'm not a fan of cleaning shoes. And to each their own. That's kind of the reality of reselling. Not all this stuff is going to work. I'm definitely going to test it, and I've got to clean it up. When it sells, I've got to ship it. It's going to take a lot of packing material and that kind of thing. I don't mind that, but I'll definitely let you know, and we'll find out how much money I think I can make on this. It took me an hour and a half to test and list all of those electronics, and there's a 60% success rate, 3 out of 5. The 2 that didn't work, I can actually take back, get my money back, or actually I think it's a store credit, be around $10, so that lowers our buy cost. So $36 for everything. Pretty good, because the 3 that have actually worked have actually already sold. The combo unit sold for $100, the neat desktop scanner sold for like $74.50, and then the portable one sold for $28 something. And then there's the golf game that's less. There were no comps on that, so I just kind of picked a random price. And then the Clemson stuff I'm probably gonna keep. So I'm pretty happy with taking a chance on those electronics. Turned out pretty good. It's not always like that, but this one turned out pretty good. All right, buggy time. Let's fill it up. I complain about not liking cleaning shoes, and yet here we are looking for shoes. Oh well, don't say anything. So here's the thing. Lisa Frank mini sticker tattoo stars. I've got a bunch of these things. 94 cents a piece. Check out comps. 20 bucks, 15, 38. There's only 2 listed and 4 sold. Are you buying all of those? Leave me a comment down below, let me know. I think I am. If this is a Lisa Frank plush, I may poop myself. Nope, Frankie's Fun Park. That's cool. Oh, it's Mickey Mouse. $3. Alright. That might keep me occupied for days. Taking it home. So I'm walking down one of the aisles, and they had this Sony like photo printer thing, and I decided to look it up. It's not worth anything. There's only been like 2 that have sold in the past 90 days. But then I saw this paper sitting right next to it. They want $6 a piece. Check out the comps. Open box, 60, 62, 60. Mine is actually sealed, so I should do even better. This one, 85. I'm gonna pay $6 a piece. That's pretty good. So this has definitely been a pretty good stop. And I still gotta look at the clothes, but I just happened to look up that Mickey Mouse snow globe thing. One sold for $50, and none listed, so maybe pretty good. Oh man, it's like a big hole right there. That would have been good too. So this is the kind of stuff that pays the bills. Got 21 of these Lisa Frank sticker things. I think they're from around 2006. If they were older, they'd be worth a lot more. But as they are, they're selling for between like $15 and $20 a piece. There's only 2 listed, 4 sold. Mathematically, that's a good sell-through rate, but not really enough data to make an informed decision. But I figured at 94 cents a piece, I wasn't really losing anything, and they'll eventually sell. I just have to make 1 listing with a quantity, and I'm good to go. We're gonna ship first class too. I really like. Then I got 2 of these Sony color print packs. Gonna have to do some more research, but to me they look sealed, and if they are, you're going for some crazy money. Only paid $6 a piece. Got 2 of them. All right, so first stop, didn't get a buggy. Pretty much a waste of time. Last 2 stops, got a buggy. Pretty much killed it. So yeah, we're definitely getting a buggy this time. There's a bunch of donations I got sitting out. That was Michigan at first. It's Marquette. I don't know how big of a school Marquette is, but Nike team, really good condition. I'm gonna grab it. Oh wait, this is cool. Check out the lining on this thing. That is cool. Field and Stream 2X. I mean, it's probably not worth much, but that is too cool to leave behind. I've never seen anything like that. That's crazy. So the buggy trick did not help. I definitely didn't fill it up, but I ended up with the Marquette pullover. I did find the comp. Somebody took on best offer. They had it listed for $49. And then the Field and Stream definitely is going to take a while to sell, but it was too cool to leave behind. And this was actually my last stop. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been real. It's been ups and down, up and down. Got a carload of stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to, you know what to do. We'll see you on the next one.